Hi artists! Let's make a pumpkin out of model magic. First, we are going to need to color the model magic. Flatten your piece a little bit and pick a color that you like. Don't lose the cap. Go ahead and color the top of that little pancake that you made. Once it is all colored in, you are going to fold it in half like a taco, so the color is on the inside. Then do it again. I made a few layers of color. Then I'm going to put the cap back on my marker, and I am going to use my hands to squish up that model magic. I'm really trying to mix the color in so that it spreads out evenly throughout my model magic. Keep pulling and squishing and folding the model magic around on itself. The next thing I am going to do is use the palm or the flat part of my hand to roll my model magic into a ball. You can use the table to do this as well. The next thing I am going to do is take this small piece of crayon and gently push it into the top of my model magic to make a stem for my pumpkin. I am going to use this stick to press gently from the top to the bottom of my pumpkin to create the lines that we see on a real pumpkin. Now that I have created the texture of my pumpkin, I am going to use some of this colorful twisties wire to create one of the little curly pieces of pumpkin vine. I am going to pinch the twisties with my thumb and finger, and then I am going to wrap the piece with my other hand around my finger to create a spiral. I am going to take the end of the spiral and I am going to poke it in next to that little piece of crayon. And then my pumpkin is complete. Have fun with yours, artists, and be creative.